This is the Black Classic Godzilla keycap set from KeyTok, and let's get straight to the point. My keyboard has never looked this stylish and has had this much personality before. I mean, like, just looking at it, I'm already obsessed. This is definitely the coolest my custom wooden keyboard has ever looked. If you saw my build, you know I've been using this black, gray, and red pretty basic looking keycap set, but now with this Godzilla keycap set from KeyTok, it just looks so amazing. I'm really obsessed. I mean, the whole set just pops out of the keyboard. I really love the vintage style of the classic Godzilla set. I mean, yeah, it just makes my keyboard pop. It definitely steals the show off my desk, and yeah, this is definitely a conversation starter. And even the little Godzilla on my escape key, it's a resin artisan keycap, and I just love the way it opens its mouth. It's such a nice little touch. And yeah, I'm a huge Godzilla fan. I love Shin Godzilla, so I was really happy when KeyTok reached out to me about this set. I was super excited to have this on my keyboard. Godzilla -1 has to be one of my top movies of all time. So yeah, I'm really happy that this is a part of my collection now. Even if you aren't a Godzilla fan, it's just a super nice keycap set. So if you want a keyboard with personality, I would definitely recommend this Godzilla keycap set. There's also the Mecha Godzilla set, which is a more futuristic looking keycap set, but I like this vintage classic style, so I went for the regular Godzilla. Don't worry about the size of the keycaps. It comes with a whole bunch of different keycap sizes. The set also includes both ANSI and ISO styles, so you don't need to worry about that either. The profile is cherry, but what you call a smile profile. So as you can see, the bottom of the keycaps are a bit rounded, which is why it's called smile, and it just makes the keyboard pop a lot more and look a lot bubblier. The material is PBT, so very high quality. In the unboxing, we have the keycap set. It's like multiple layers. As you can see, some very cool designs, and a keycap puller. And in this mini box, we have an artisan Godzilla keycap as well. But yeah, I mean, in conclusion, I think the keyboard speaks for itself. Just look at how much personality and how much this keyboard just pops and stands out. I really love Godzilla, so I really love this set. But even if you don't love Godzilla, I think it is still a really cool keycap set. I think it definitely is worth the $80 price point. I know that you could get like $20 keycap sets off of Amazon, but I really do think there's a difference. These feel super high quality to type on, and just look at it, it just looks fantastic. But yeah, in conclusion, I've never had a keyboard that has looked this fun and has had this much personality, and I really love it. But yeah, anyways, that's it. See ya.